The month of November is National Diabetes Month, and much government and media attention is focused on the need to slow the growing epidemic of diabetes across the globe. Here in the Benue East region, the rising number of diabetes cases over the past years continue to be a source of worry for health officials. Regional Director of Health Services Dr. Fred Adamakubuatin bemoaned the increasing number of new cases of diabetes in the region.
If you look at the OPD, the number of cases that have been coming for general care at the OPD, gone were the days. You never recorded diabetes as one of the top 10 diseases in our OPD. But as we speak now, diabetes and hypertension are among the top 10. And specifically, as we are discussing, diabetes is among the top. So it means that we are having challenges with diabetes. I can give numbers. So if you look at 2017, we had 4,820 cases diagnosed as diabetes. 2018, 6,868 new cases of diabetes. 2019, 7,537. 2020, 6,565. And then 2021, 6,219. And as we are speaking now, we have not completed the year, but we have 7,712 cases of newly diagnosed diabetes.
He further emphasized that even though men are more at risk of being diagnosed with diabetes, women constitute majority of the regional diabetes cases.
If you want to look at the sex ratio, look at the percentages for the ladies. In 2017, they were about 63% of the cases. If you look at 2018, it was about 68% of the cases. If you look at 2019, 73% of the cases that we discussed were female. The question somebody will ask, are females or sex being female a risk factor for diabetes? No. It's basically to do with way that we assess care for men and for the women. So you can see that the numbers that we are recording, almost twice the value of them are women. It means that the men are not coming, we are not picking the men, or whatever strategies that we have is not reaching the men. That is what we will look at. Because if you look at the risk factors for diabetes, things that you do that will prone you to having diabetes, the men, we have most of the risk.
Dr. Fred Adamakubuatin was, however, quick to encourage people to check their lifestyles as well as check their sugar statuses, adding that early diagnosis save lives.
These are the things that we want the community to know, that, look, engage in a lifestyle that will prevent you from having this problem. And even if you have it, please make sure that you check your sugar, because there are drugs there. And more importantly, engage in activity, physical activity, and let's move away from sedentary lifestyle.
The theme for this year's World Diabetes Day is education to protect tomorrow. And as Sabit, Joy News, Kintampo.